What's good, YouTube? It's a little Miami mukbang. Miami Taco Bell mukbang. You did. So what you want to talk about?
We was supposed to go jet skiing at 4 o'clock. We booked this shit like a week ago, half a week ago. Paid the deposit and everything. We walking out the room to go jet skiing, right? Mind you, I'm texting this girl, the lady, earlier about it to make sure and everything. Right when we were walking out to go to the freaking elevator to go to the car, she texted us talking about, we had to cancel. We had an emergency today, but we can get you in tomorrow. We leave tomorrow. We can't go tomorrow. So then we had to sit in the freaking room and find somewhere else. And we had decided that we was gonna go parasailing instead. But they was all booked and shit, so we couldn't go parasailing. I had an attitude. I wanted to cry because I wanted to go jet skiing so freaking bad.
Yeah, she took it on me. Like, I'm the one that comes with shit.
So freaking bad. I wanted to go so freaking bad. I never been jet skiing.
I ain't never been jet skiing before.
It was gonna be a good memory. So I wanted to go. And we could not find nowhere, but we found somewhere. I'm a reviews type of person. I look at hella reviews before like I book anything. I just don't like to be bamboozled. So we found a place. And we started at 5:30 there. We're jet skiing. He can't swim, but we're still gonna go.
You have to tell everybody that. I probably don't know this, but we've been to Miami since Thursday.
Yeah, we left Wednesday at like 2:08.
Yeah, we drove down here.
12 hours. I fell asleep on the road. Swerved a little bit.
Yeah, she got killed us. That's why I couldn't go to sleep. Like, I'm straight up the whole 12 hours I was up. Because I don't trust her driving.
But I think that's it. Thursday.
So yeah, last day.
And people out here don't have sweet tea. We're just gonna Taco Bell.
If y'all know me, y'all know I love sweet tea. Everywhere I go, I can drink sweet tea.
We just came to Taco Bell and they have sweet tea. We don't got sweet tea. We went to a restaurant. The restaurant was good. It's just like, we don't have tea, but I can give you some like syrup to put in your tea. What?
That's how you talking about.
Honey. But we, the first night, no. Yeah, the first night. What's the first night? Yeah, the first night we went to the beach. We didn't go to the right part of the beach, so we didn't see nobody. But we found the beach yesterday.
Yeah, niggas was lit out
See,
there.
everybody went to a restaurant that was expensive but for nothing. We paid $76 for some wings, some pasta, and 2 drinks. The drink was $8. My wings was $17.
Drink wasn't even that good.
We got lemonade for $8. My wings only had 8 wings and some fries, $17. He had some pasta with some chicken for $24. And then they make you tip them. The girl didn't even deserve a tip, and it was $10 to tip her. What? Niggas down here cannot drive either.
You can't drink.
They cannot drive, but they don't care about their life. They will swerve in front of you with like this much space. After
Yeah, these Miami niggas are something else.
Today we are going to jet skiing. After we go jet skiing, we're gonna come back, shower, change, then go to this arcade thing. Not really an arcade. It's
I don't know why you keep calling it that.
They have some American Ninja course, go-karting, bumper cars, VR, and what is it called? Bazooka bag.
Put your hair in my cycle. I know where your hair been.
We went to the beach yesterday. We took some cute pictures. We went to the Long Beach too. I'll insert them right there.
We at the place. We're waiting for the boat to come scoop us up and take us to the place where we jet skiing at.
We was looking kind of late because we didn't know where to park at.
Yeah, wild out here. I ain't
And this little Jamaican black guy was like whistling at us, and like we had to pay $10 to park, but we don't have no cash. All we have is cards, so we had to ask some Hispanic people that barely speak English if they had cash up. She was like, green? Yes, ma'am. Yes, green.
Yeah, I don't carry cash on me.
Babe, you're not even getting me in the frame.
Just in case you want to rob a nigga, I don't keep cash on me. But I do keep that thing on me.
So then we walked all the way down there to get here because we didn't know where we were. The lady had to send us her location.
I think that might be the boat.
Yep. Had to send us her location. We had to climb down this thing to get down here because, you know, I'm a lazy bitch. And I was the only one sitting here. We were like, I think we missed the boat. We missed our reservation. Mind you, I left my phone in the car, and you gotta take this boating test to drive the freaking jet ski. I don't have mine. Maybe I could just show him the email or something.
I guess that was not the boat.
I mean, these people walking over here, so we gotta be close.
Hey, y'all jet skiing? Do y'all not? We in the right place? Nah, we just like y'all.
They said that another group is by that statue. That brown statue over there.
This the group.
Yeah. They sent you the location right here? Yeah. So yeah. We've been sitting here for like 10 minutes. They said that the boat is on the way. Very slowly. Y'all, so when we took the test, we didn't like actually read this stuff. We just took it. When y'all took the boating test, did y'all read this stuff or did y'all just like Google the answers? Okay.
Hey, y'all know how to swim? Both of y'all do.
He's scared he's gonna drown.
Very shit.
We get some of that. What?
Catch a nigga slipping out the light, make his heart drop. Alright, we back, y'all. We just got finished jet skiing. I thought I was about to die though. I thought the thing was gonna tip over.
Yeah.
And I can't swim.
I wish it kept turning to the left. Like, we was like, oh. We'll swim.
And when you go a certain speed, like the boat start jumping up and down. I was going 26.
We'll swim though. We got stuck at the end.
Yeah, cause somebody.
We gotta get off the jet ski.
Yeah, I need to get off the jet ski.
Step in the water on some nasty ass
I don't know what it was, but it slimed me.
But we gotta push it off.
Yeah, I kept on telling you. I said, hey, push it up. I told you get off.
The people there was genuine though. Very nice. They was like, let the ladies go, let the ladies go.
Yeah, we went to Just Jet Ski. Something just Jet Ski Miami or something like that. I'll give them some free promo. Just to
And you know what? They were always better men.
Alright, you go to one area and then the boat come pick you up and take you to where the niggas go jet skiing.
Hold on. Tell me why. We were standing, they're waiting for the boat for like 45 minutes. And then when we get there, we don't even start jet skiing until like 6:30, 6:40. Our appointment was at 5:30. So an hour, we was waiting.
Can I have this other taco? Let me have a bite of it.
Babe. Let's go back to the hotel. Shower.
Oh yeah, you wasted time. We gotta be at the thing about 10 at least. Yeah, we gotta go shower, get ready, and we're going to this other place. This I think we said it earlier in the vlog. It's called Disneyland Park. Where it's like trampoline park. But yeah, we'll hit y'all back after when we on the way to Disneyland. We out. Well, guys, it's currently 6 a.m. The same day we're gonna upload the video. I'm just stopping by to let y'all know. Well, anyway, y'all, the sound to the video messed up. I don't know what happened, but anyway, in the video, I was just basically saying that was the end because we didn't end up going to that park place. We ended up going to Cheesecake instead. So that's the end of the video. You can do is like, comment, subscribe. And tell a friend to tell their friend to tell another friend to tell their grandma to tell their mama to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe too, man. But anyway, that's all I had to say to y'all, man. I got to get up out of here.